In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for a Suno AI account in 2026. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Suno AI website. Once the home page loads, look for the Sign Up or Get Started button, usually located near the top right corner of the page, and click it. Next, choose how you want to create your account. Suno typically offers several sign-in options, such as using a Google account, a Microsoft account, an Apple account, Discord, or an email address, depending on the options available at the time. Select the method you prefer. If you're signing up with an email address, enter your email and create a secure password. Make sure to use an email address that you can access because you may need to verify it before your account becomes active. After that, check your inbox for a verification email from Suno. Open the email and click the verification link or enter the verification code if one is provided. Once the verification is complete, return to Suno and sign in to your new account. Now, complete any profile setup steps that appear. Depending on the current version of Suno, you may be asked to provide a display name, agree to the terms of service, or choose preferences related to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to explore the platform. You'll typically find options for creating AI-generated music, managing your projects, viewing your generation history, and accessing account settings. Next, open the account settings area and review your subscription information. Suno may offer both free and paid plans. The free plan usually includes a limited number of music generations, while paid plans provide additional credits, longer generations, and extra features. After that, if you plan to use Suno regularly, consider adding a payment method and selecting a subscription plan that matches your needs. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the purchase if you decide to upgrade. Now you're ready to start creating music. Enter a prompt, describe the type of song you want, choose any available settings, and generate your first track. Finally, remember to keep your login information secure and verify that your email address remains up to date so you can receive important account notifications and password recovery messages. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to sign up for a Suno AI account in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.